रायबंदर भलायकी केंद्रात सगळ्या सुविधा दिवचे अशी मागणी घेवन रायबंदर भलायकी केंद्राची समिती मुखेलमंत्री सावंताक मेळ्ळी. रायबंदराचेर आशिल्ल्या भलायकी केंद्राचें रूपांतरण भलायकी इस्पितळांत करचें अशी मागणी मुखेलमंत्र्याक केल्ल्याची म्हायती आदवोगाद आयरिश रॉड्रिगीजान दिल्या.
डे डिस्पेन्सरी आसलो. आमी डे डिस्पेन्सरीचो पयलो एक्सपिरियन्स 2 फावटी घेतलेलो आसा. आमचो डिमांड इतलो आसलो की डे डिस्पेन्सरी नाका, इट इज फूल फ्लेज हॉस्पिटल आसुनी म्हणून. सो तो ताणें मान्य केलो आनी ही इज गोईंग फॉरवर्ड विथ दॅट. वी आर हॅपी.
Ribandar Healthcare Committee today met the Honorable Chief Minister, and we have impressed upon him the need to set up a full-fledged health center at the old Ribandar Hospital. The Honorable Chief Minister was very considerate on this issue. He has said that he has been already also briefed by the MLA, and he has already told the MLA also that this will happen. Now we have requested him to start with that healthcare center being set up at Ribandar be on the lines of the Sankeling Community Health Center, which provides all the basic facilities, and then step by step that hospital can emerge as a full-fledged hospital. We understand that government has financial constraints, but we have explained to the Chief Minister that where health is concerned, financial crunch cannot be an excuse. So the Chief Minister is really keen on setting it up, and he has promised us that 24/7 casualty unit will happen soon at the Ribandar Hospital. So he's also going to visit the place himself, and I'm sure that the Chief Minister is fully seized of this, and that he, in conjunction with the Health Minister and our local MLA, will all work together to see that this health center becomes a reality. We have explained to him that the Ribandar Health Center will not only be a service to the densely populated Ribandar, but it will also be a service to the residents of the 7 neighboring panchayats. In fact, all the 7 panchayats have taken a resolution and sent to the government seeking that a full-fledged healthcare center be set up at the old Ribandar Hospital. Yes, in fact,
don't you think so? It is a positive step.
It is a positive step. In fact, the Honorable MLA spoke to me yesterday afternoon, and he informed me that he had discussed the health care center issue with the Honorable Chief Minister, and the Honorable Chief Minister had agreed to it, and that he had also discussed the thing with the Health Minister, and that he would inspect the old Ribandar Hospital along with Health Department officials and GMC officials.